Hello, my family. Hello to all my brother, my sister, to all those they like to follow this woman. I just came with a special greeting from the Most High God, all the children of God. Hi. Today, I'm going to be faster. I just want to greet all my customers, all those that are sharing my video. Oh, really, God bless you, my mother, my sister. God bless. If you know you are sharing my video, God bless you. Because of you to share my video, that is what today I met somebody told me that, Mama, the remedy you made for cough, you didn't finish it. And so today I came to repeat for those they are sharing for. I want you to listen well. Okay, for cough, all those are coughing. We are going to start. This is ginger. Mother, try to keep ginger in your fridge because we are going in winter. Winter ginger is going to be so expensive. So all these are my ginger. I already keep it in the fridge. I don't want to miss. I don't want to cry that ginger is expensive. I don't want that thing. And this is a cinnamon powder. This is a cinnamon powder. And this one is cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, you can find it at Spa Shop, right? You know where they are selling spices in the small bottle. Ask for cayenne pepper. This is cayenne pepper. And this is my organic honey. This is my organic honey. And this one is my garlic. This is my garlic. And this is my lemon. It's going to depend on you, the quantity of the remedy you want to make. My follower, my family, this remedy is very strong for cough, flu, any symptom in this bad weather. In Devon today is raining. We sleep in rain, we wake up in rain. So you are going to blend your ginger, you blend also your garlic, and it's going to depend of the quantity you are going to use. If you like, you can take 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, whether one teaspoon, whether a small teaspoon. It depends of the quantity of cinnamon. And then you are going to take also a spoon, whether a teaspoon. It depends of the quantity. You will see the quantity of cayenne pepper. You mix, don't add water. When you are blend your ginger, you can add just small water in the ginger. You mix, and then you are going to add also lemon juice in the mixture. After that, then you are going to mix everything. You put in the fridge, you drink.